out of it, boy. I'm swerving. I had to get up out of it. Yo, what it do, man? I'm back with another one, bro. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna take y'all with me to do my dang data log, bro. I forgot to do it the other night because I was so excited, you feel me? But I'm gonna take y'all to do it, but I'm gonna do a different angle. I'm gonna do a POV today. I'm just showing my face right now. I just wanna give y'all a heads up. Doing it with it right here, GoPro 8. I really like this camera better than this camera. I still love you, Becca. You started with me, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, though, man, I just want to give y'all a heads up. Y'all gonna be with me today. So let's ride. It's your boy Milk. Before I get into the video, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button real quick. I'm about to hit 600, man. Appreciate all the new followers, you know what I'm saying? It's been a long journey. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm here. And make sure you like it up. Drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, man. Holla at you. Yes, sir. Look at babe. I still got the wheels on from the other night. I gotta take them out today though, for sure though. But nah, man. POV action, you know what I'm saying? Finna have y'all along with me for the day. You feel me? As of right now, I'm finna go get me something to eat first, bro. Before I do the data log. As you can tell, I got everything set up. You see my little setup, how I like it. Can't turn on no music, put it in sport mode right now. That's how I ride around. Mickey D, baby! I bet they like, God damn, you on there early? But nah, bro. Last night was like a great night, man. I'm really proud of my car. I'm really proud of myself for staying focused and staying down with this car. Cause really, I was talking to one of my homies. I was like, bro, if I really want to start over, I would just get a Scatpack and, you know what I'm saying, did full boat on it. But shit, I'm happy with the results. But hold on, let me get my breath.
For your rewards member, please place your order when you are ready. I'm choosing my donuts when you're ready.
Let me get a McGriddle meal.
What's your McGriddle you got?
Let me get sausage. My bad.
What drinking would you like?
Orange juice.
You want that small, medium, or large?
Let me get medium.
Anything else for you?
Nah, that's it.
Alright, it'll be $7.05.
But nah, man, I'm really proud of myself for sticking with this build, bro. I got some more stuff coming too. You know what I'm saying? I really want, most definitely want to cam it. Let me get my car information out there, cause y'all need to be scamming. That just sport mode. That thing about trap mode, my boy. Yeah, bro. You feel me? Boy, you got the little baby with you today? What's up, sexy? Ah!
What you want for them?
Huh?
What you want for them? Okay, you sell them.
These. But nah, but I can't sell these.
That nigga said these.
Right now, I'm finna set up my Diablo tuner right here. Just to get my data log real quick, you know what I'm saying? So I can send it out to JGreene so he can do what he do, you know what I'm saying? Cause without him, my car won't be running like this, like this. I had to get up out of it, boy. I'm swerving. I had to get up out of it. Stay discreet real quick. But nah, man, that should be enough for him. But bro, I was swerving. I don't know if y'all can tell. I was wobbling back and forth. And when you gotta trust your gut, but you gotta get on, get out of that, go ahead and get out of that motor, man. Get out of that gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that for him. Hey, boy, I don't like when that happen right there. That's why I'm like really pulling on no gravel like surface. You know what I'm saying? Like roads like this right here, bro. You really ain't supposed to be on these type of goddamn, yeah, like D-Dog, yeah. But goddamn, you really ain't supposed to be putting on these type of surfaces right here, bro. Like last night, bro, let me put some of y'all up on game who don't know about, you know what I'm saying, know too much about racing. Say for instance, okay, I got my slicks on. Let me roll the window. Okay, I got my slicks on, and we on this type of surface area. I'm not gonna stick like I really want to, like I would at the track. That go for regular tires too, but I'd rather have street radials on for the street. You know what I'm saying? Heat them up, make them stick, but you really want a smooth surface area where your car can stick and get up out of there. Cause if you try to put too much gas on these type of roads, bro, you will lose control of this car. That's just like back them. I'm gonna be honest with you. Some of y'all might not believe me, but I was not, the pedal was not down to the flow, bro. Like when I actually tried to push it down to the flow, it started getting weight, try to get away from me. So I got out of it. But hopefully that is enough for JGreene to see like, okay, that's the way his car head. If not, I gotta do it over. So I'm trying to find another road where I can actually stick and go. You feel me? This time I'm gonna do a roll so I can actually stick. But nah, bro, that was a good little pull right there. That was good when I ease into it like I always normally do anyway. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, you got to be careful on these roads. And the crazy thing is, as I just said it, bro, one of my partners in Houston, he called this car Purple Rain, bro. I think his car might be totaled. So that's one of the reasons why y'all probably don't see me throwing my car going crazy in traffic. I do stuff when it's safe and I can have fun with my car. Cause one, bro, I put too much money into my car to be risking one, myself and others. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like really doing what others doing what others be doing in traffic. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love me. I can't even lie to you. So I'm gonna protect myself first, but most definitely I'm gonna protect everybody else. So if it's in a safe and open environment, oh yeah, I'm gonna cut up. You know what I'm saying? That's me. I'm not like anybody else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm not gonna be a copycat and try to get views because another person doing that. Nah, that's not milk. That's not Bitch Slack, man. That's not K-Milk, whatever you want to call me. That's not me.
Came and got my oil change real quick. Cause just like I always say, I'm always about little gems, little tips. If you always racing your car, bro, most likely you need to go get an oil change, bro. Cause you ramming the engine real hard the whole time. So that's a quick tip. Come get your oil change. Cause you try to wait till 20%, 50%. You never know, your engine might lock. Yeah, you might well throw the whole car away.
So I gave y'all a POV. I just had to do my data log. Really, this was like a good test run just to see how that the camera's gonna look, how it's gonna see overview. I wanted to work that out. But hey man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, bro. My channel is growing every day. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love and support, man. But without y'all, my channel ain't nothing. So as one, we're really a family, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you hit them buttons down there. For real. Can't lie to you. But this is gonna be the end of the video, man. It's your boy Milk, man. Another one. I'm trying to bring y'all back-to-back content, good content. But I'm out now. I'm back in traffic. You feel me? I'm gone. Yeah.